Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel of Debneel's Mathematics Desk. So today's video is dedicated to the students of class 7. Before starting my video, a huge thanks to all of you for the likes and subscriptions you have given in my channel for all my previous videos. A huge thanks to all of you, and also happy Diwali to all of you. So for today and tomorrow I will be uploading one video in the morning only, and from 14th onwards we will get regular videos as mentioned in my post of yesterday, as you can see. So today we will start a new chapter for class 7, and I have chosen an easy chapter actually for you. It is percent and percentage. The last videos of class 7 we finished the chapter of simple linear equations. We did a lot of sums and word problems. So this is actually the easiest chapter of class 7 according to me. It is basically two things. One is that if it is given to you x% and you have to represent it as a fraction, so you can write this as x% equal to x by 100. And if you are told to represent x as percent, then you have to do equal to x multiplied by 100%. X% means x by 100, and x converting to percentage, it is x into 100. So remember these two things and you can solve the whole chapter. You do a lot of sums as it is an easy chapter. Let us see what we have here today. So let's start with a very easy one. All sums are easy, but still let's see. So we have x plus 0.025 as a percent. Okay. So what I told, x to be represented as a percentage, it will be x into 100%. So this will be equal to 0.025 into 100%. The point here gets shifted to here, so it will be 2.5%. That's the answer of the first question. So what we did, x converting to percentage is x%, is x into 100%, that means this one. Just shifting the decimal places by 2 units as there are 2 zeros, and we get the answer as 2.5%. So this was the first sum. All sums follow the same manner. Let's see what difference we have in between them. Question 2. X plus 7/1/2% as a fraction and decimal. No problems. X% means x by 100, or I can write this as 7/1/2% equal to 7/1/2 divided by 100. This can also be written as 15/2 into 100. Okay, let us just cancel this. 5 here, 3, 20. That means the fraction is 3/40. Converting this into decimal, we have to divide. Let's do it. Divide 3. Okay. I take the point here, another 0 comes. I take another 0, here another 0 comes. 7, 280, 20. We had the point, so one more 0 will come here. 5, 200, and here you go. Remainder is 0. This is equal to what? 0.075. So x% means x by 100, 15/2 by 100, 15/2 into 100. Just converting into fraction, 3/40. Now converting this into the decimal, this is 0.075. That is the answer of the second question. Very easy. I told you only 2 formulas are there. Use them properly. You are the master of this chapter then. Let's see question 3. What percent is 16 hours of 2 days? Wow, what a question. What percent is 16 hours of 2 days? Means 16 hours out of 2 days. Okay. 16 hours out of 2 days means 16 hours divided by 2 into 24 hours. One day has 24 hours, you all know that. So hours will get cancelled out. 2 here 8, 1 and here 3. It's equal to 1 by 3. So actually the question turns out to be what percent is 1 by 3. Yes, 16 hours out of 2 days we converted the fraction is 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 to be expressed as percentage means 1 by 3 to 100%. This means 100 by 3%. And it is equal to 33.3%. There you go. You got the answer. 16 hours out of 2 days means 16 hours divided by 2 into 24 hours. So we just did the cancellation. It turned out to be 1 by 3. 1 by 3 to be expressed as percentage means 1 by 3 into 100%. 100 by 3%, that's simple fraction, 33.3%. Very easy. Let's see a few more these type of sums. Few things are a little different, but by and large everything is same. Find 5% of rupees 350. Wow. When you are told to find any percent of something, take this off as multiplication. Okay. This means it is 5% multiplied by 350, which means 5 by 100 into 350. You can write RS here. Yes, of course. Let's do simple cancellation. 20, 1, 0 gets cancelled out. 35 by 2 means 17.5 RS. Very easy. 5% of 350 means into 350 rupees. 5% means 5 by 100 into 350. Simply just doing the means division and multiplication. We get the answer as 17.5 RS. Very easy. Let's see a few more. Okay, question 5 on the way. 61 by 4% of what number is 375? Something. It's a good question. Okay. We don't know what is this number, right? And we did simple linear equations. We know what we don't know, take it as x. So, or let the number be x. Percent of something means multiplication, or 61 by 4% multiplied by x equal to 375. That is it, right? Or I can write this as 25 by 4 into 100 multiplied by x equal to 375. Let's do it. 4 or 1 by 16 to x equal to 375, or x by 16 equal to 375, or x equal to 375 into 16, which turns out to be what? 0, 8 in hand, 16 7 are 112 plus 8, 12 in hand, 16 into 3 48 plus 12 60, so 6000. Simple question. We don't know what is the number, take it as x. Percent of any number means percent into the number will be equal to this. So now x percent means x by 100 means 25 by 4 into 100 into x equal to 375. Now let's do simple cancellation and cross multiplication. You get the answer as x equal to 6000. Another type of a sum. See guys, here we did the mix of two chapters actually. Linear equations, we took the value of x, basic principle of that chapter, and also did the percentage. Maths is actually relation of many chapters, nothing else. Now question 6. Wow. Hats off to the question maker who made this question. You will understand why I am saying this. What is the percentage of words in the English alphabet? Wow. What a thought. We always deal with numbers. This is also something. But actually, it's an easy question. Let's solve this easy question. So we have 5 vowels, you all know, out of the 26 English alphabets. So 5 by 26 equal to vowels, right? Absolutely, 5 vowels are there out of the 26 alphabets. 5 by 26 equal to vowels. Or 5 by 26 means what? X to be represented as percent means x into 100 equal to 5 by 26 into 100%. Okay. 1350. That means 250 by 13%. Let's do a little division here. 1. Here we are 13. 12, 0, 9, 117. 3. Let us take the point. Another 0, 2, 26, 4. Point was there, so another 0 will be added. 3, 39. Let this remainder be 1. No need to do further. It will be an endless, means 0 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. Many things will be there. No need. Always take 2 points numbers after the decimal point. So the answer will be 19.23%. There you go. That's the answer of this easy but interesting question. 5 by 26 are vowels. Express it as percentage. You get the answer. Very easy. Let's see what we have next. Question 7. Now you will be telling we are expecting a hard question, but sometimes it's good to do some easy questions actually. Let's see why I am telling it is easy. X plus 3.20 as a percent. Actually guys, what do I say? The questions of all the questions of this chapter are actually like this. Means you can't get harder. It can't get harder. It is just like this only. All same standard in all questions. Simple. X to be represented as percent means x into 100, which means this will be equal to 3.20 into 100%. Just shift the point here as 2 zeros are there. That means equal to 320%. That's it. Simple. X equal to x into 100%. I already told you before. Just get the answer like that. Let's see what we have next. Question 8 on your way. Alright, what percent of 12 kg is 725 gram? So 725 gram out of 12 kg, right? So I can write this as means equal to 725 gram out of 12 into 1000. Okay, not like that. Out of 12,000 gram. Why? 12 kg equal to 12 into 1000 gram. Okay. Set it here like this. Okay. That is the question actually. What percent is 12 of 12 kg is 725 gram. First, let's express this 725 gram out of 12 kg as a percent, means fraction. This turns out to be equal to 725 divided by 12,000. Gram and gram will get cancelled out. So let's just convert this into a percent. That means into 100% it will be equal to 725 by 12,000 into 100% sign. Two zeros get cancelled out. 725 by 120. Let's divide. 6 720. 5 comes up here. Point I put 0. Not divisible. Another 0 I put here. Another 0 comes. 4. 480. 20. Point was there, so the 0 will come. 1. 120. Let this be. As it will keep going. It's an endless. So the answer will be 6.04%. Don't take 3 decimal points after the decimal here. Only take 2 numbers after the decimal point. So the answer will be 6.04%. Very easy. 725 gram out of 12 kg. The fraction comes out. Its percent is into 100. 6.04%. Very easy. The question will be like this, a little twisted, but always the same process will be there. Two formulas are there, so all will end up into those two formulas. Nothing else. Question 9, a little different sum. Okay, we have increased 60 by 5%. We have to increase 60 by 5%. Guys, I am telling you one thing. It's given to increase a by x%. Then what will it be? Just remember this. This will be a plus x by 100 into a. That means the number a plus x% of a. Okay. So here actually if you increase 60 by 5%, that means it will be equal to, and if it is decrease a by x%, it will be equal to a minus x by 100 into a. This means the number a minus x% of a. Okay. So this will be equal to what? 60 plus 5% of 60. Okay. That means 60. 5% means 5 by 100. Off means multiply to 60. Let's do simple cancellation. 120 and here 3. So 60 plus 3 is equal to 63. So that turns out to be the result. This was a new type of a sum. Remember these two formulas will help you in solving. A by x%, if it is told you to increase, then a plus x% of a means x by 100 of means multiplied into a. Decrease, the sign will only change into minus. Simple formula. So this was another type of a sum. Let's see what we have on this again. Wow. Big sum. Not big actually. Large values. So we have been given with increase 1000 by 3.5%. We know the formula. Okay. So let's just do this. Actually 3.5% is 3.5% it is 35 by 10%. 7 and here 2 means 7 by 2%. Okay, remember this. Now increase 1000 by 7 by 2%. Actually the question turns out to be. So now what can I write this as? Equal to, you know the formula, 1000 plus 7 by 2% of 1000. So I can write this as, this will be equal to 1000 plus 7 by 2 into 100. 7 by 2 by 100 means 7 by 2 into 100. Of means multiplied. Let me write it differently. Into 1000. Now let's do simple means division. 2 zeros get cancelled out. 2 is there. We get 5. Sorry. Okay. 7 5s are 35. We all know that this will be equal to 1000 plus 35. Nothing else but 1035. So 3.5% equal 35 by 10%, 7 by 2%, converted into a fraction. Much easier for you. It will be 1000 plus x percent of 1000, 7 by 2% of 1000 means 1000 plus 7 by 2 into 100 into 1000. That's it. Very easy. Remember these two formulas, and from there only you can solve these type of sums. Let's see a few more. Now we have a one on decrease. We did the sums of increasing. Now let's do decreasing. We have the formula here. Question 11. We have decreased 50 by 12.5%. Okay. Okay. So decrease formula we know here. So this can be written as decrease 50 by 12.5%, or 12.5% means 125 by 10%. 25 and here 2. So 25 by 2% it becomes, remember this, equal to 25 by 2%. So decrease 50 by 25 by 2% it turns out to be, that means it will be equal to 50 minus 25 by 2% of 50, right? So it will be 50 minus 25 by 2 into 100. X percent means x by 100. Off means multiply. Okay, let's sorry, into 50. Let's do simple division. We have here 100. So here we go. We have 2, here 25. Here I get cancelled. Here this gets cancelled. 4. So 25 by 4. 50 minus 25 by 4. This turns out to be 50 minus 25 by 4. Alright. Let's take the LCM. It is 4 equal to 50 into 4 minus 25 by 4. That means 200 minus 25 by 4 is equal to 175 by 4. And if you just divide, you will get the answer is equal of 175 by 4 is what? I can show you actually by division. 4, 16, 1, 5, 3, 12, get 3. Let's take a point. 0 comes up. 7, 28. 28. 2 comes out. Point is there, so another 0 will be added. 5. 20. 0 minus if I put. So let's put the minus here. So it is 43.75 equal to 43.75. That is the answer. Simple. 12.5% we converted into fraction. 125 by 10% means 25 by 2% on dividing by 5. 50 minus 25 by 2% of 50 means 50 minus 25 by 2 into 100 multiplied by 50. Simple division and subtraction to get the answer of 175 by 4 converted into decimal 43.75. That is the answer of this question. So let's see what we have here again. In this video we are doing the sums on the few formulas of this chapter. Sorry, I can keep this formula actually. I'm giving this because it's helpful. X A. Okay. Okay. So in this video, actually what I was telling is we are doing all the sums on the basic formulas and principles. In the next video, we will do all the word problems on this chapter. Let's see what more sums are there on the formulas of this chapter. Guys, give me 1 second. Alright. So question 12 here. What we have is, what number when increased by 10% becomes 88? Okay. Finally, little good sum. We have something to work with. What number when increased by 10% becomes 88? You might be saying this is also a word problem. No, it's actually a basic thing. Word problems, you will see how they are in the next video. Different, or it has real life applications and situations. We have to frame the equations of percentage from those. I will show you in the next video. Let's first do this. So I don't know the number. Let the number be x. Now, according to the question, x when increased by 10%, it becomes 88, or x plus 10% of x equal to 88. I can write, isn't it? X increased by 10% means x plus 10% of x. So let's do, or x plus 10 by 100 multiplied by x equal to 88. 10 gets cancelled out, or x plus x by 10 equal to 88. Let's multiply the whole equation by 10. If I do that, I can write this as, or 10x, this will remain as x, equal to 88 into 10, it is 880, or 11x equal to 880, or x will be equal to 880 by 11. Let's divide. 1 8s are 88, and 0, well, it will become 0. So the answer is 80. Okay. So therefore the number is equal to 80. Therefore the number is 80. So here we didn't know what the number was. We took it as x. X increased by 10% equal to 88. So not 80% here. Comes 88. So x increased by x percent means x plus 10% of x. It is 88. Now simply solving the equation, we get the answer as 80. Very easy. Let's see. We have two more sums today. Alright. Question 13. Okay, so finally little better sum. Let's see what is it. X is 20% less than y. Find y minus x by y. Okay. X is 20% less than y. Find y minus x by y. So here we have been given the equation relation between x and y. So x is what? X is 20% less than y means y minus 20% of y, right? Yes, 20% less than y means y decreased by 20%. Y decreased by 20% means y minus 20% of y. Y minus 20%. Okay. Or x equal to what? Y minus 20 by 100 of means multiplied by y. 1, 5. So our x will be equal to y minus y by 5. Or x will be equal to, let's take the LCM here. So 5 is the LCM, so equal to 5y minus y by 5. So x will be equal to 4y by 5. Now we got the value of x by doing this. X equal to 20% less than y means y decreased by 20%, which is y minus 20% of y. And from here we got the value of x as 4y by 5. Now we have been told to find y minus x by y. So now, therefore, now let me write y minus x by y means, let us substitute the value of x here. So we are equal to y minus 4y by 5 all divided by y. Let's solve this. This means take the LCM. So 5y minus 4y divided by 5 divided by y. That turns out to be equal to y by 5 divided by y. So guys, see, if a fraction is there, a by b divided by c. Here it is, we have a fraction y by 5 divided by y. This will turn out to be a by b into 1 by c. So we have here y by 5 divided by y, so it will turn out to be equal to y by 5 multiplied by 1 by y. Right. From this I got it. Now y get cancelled out. They are equal to 1 by 5. We got the answer. Good question. Found out the value of x by doing the y minus 20% of y. Substituted the value of x here and we got the value of the thing we have been told to find, y minus x by y. By this for a simple formula which you all know actually, but also keep it in mind. A by b divided by c equal to a by b into 1 by c. Y by 5 divided by y means y by 5 into 1 by y. Y get cancelled out, the answer is 1 by 5. Very easy. This was a good sum. We expect good sums towards the end. Let's see. We are heading towards the last sum for today. And then we will be completing all the basic principles of percent and percentage, all formulas through this video, which will help us to solve various types of word problems which are very interesting, lot like this, very easy. In the next video we will see what interesting sums we have. Question 14. Let us see. So last sum for today has this for us. If 15% of a number is 750, find 60% of this number. Okay. 15% of a number is 750. Find 60% of this number. Okay. We don't know what this number is, so let us take the number as x. Let the number be x. Good sum. Now the first statement is given 15% of x is 750, or 15% is 15 by 100, of means multiplied, x equal to 750. Let's just simplify. 320 or 3x by 20 equal to 750. Cross multiplying, I will get 3x will be equal to 15000. Now dividing this, I can get x will be equal to simply 15,000 by 3, turns out to be 5,000. Easy. 15% of a number is 750, we took it as x. 15% of means multiply of x equal to 750. Simple simplification. Just 3x by 20 equal to 750, x equal to 5,000. That's the first step. Now, we have been told to find 60% of this number. Okay. So, we have this number now, 5,000. Therefore, 60% of 5,000 should be 60 by 100 of means multiplied 5,000. Done. We are at the end now. Let's just simplify. 2 zeros get cancelled out. 16 to 50, it is 3000. So this is the answer. So what we did, we took the value as x. 15% of x means 750. Of means multiplied 15 by 100 into x equal to 750. By simplification, we got x equal to 5,000. We have been told to find 60% of this number means x equal to 5,000. So 60% of 5,000 means 60 by 100. X percent means x by 100. I told you before. Of means multiplied by 5,000. This turns out to be 3,000. So then, this was the last sum for today. And now we have completed all the basic principles, formulas for this chapter of percent and percentage, which will largely help us in the next video, where we will do real life word problems and frame equations involving percent and percentage. So guys, then if you found my video informative and helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. It means a lot to me. See you in the next video with a lot of new sums and word problems. Till then, take care and goodbye, and happy Diwali to all of you.